Hello friends, are you facing WhatsApp was unable to open the camera? If you are facing such error, please follow me. So here we will just need to go to Play Store. We just need to go to Play Store. So here is the Play Store option. We will tap on it. I'm tapping on it. Let's search WhatsApp. Click on it, and now if update is available, please update it and either go back. Let's find phone settings option. Yeah, so here is the phone settings. Click on it. Find apps option. So here we just need to click on apps, tap on it. Now tap on app management. Find WhatsApp. Click on force stop. Let's click on it. After tapping, this message will be showing. You just need to click on again. We just need to tap on force stop. Now we need to tap on storage usage. Here is the option. Now tap on clear cache. Now we need to click on manage space. There are so many things here. After managing the space, you can do it accordingly, and now go back and restart the phone.